Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, we did quite a bit of work to the car. I went ahead and buffed the whole thing, so now you can see the color a little better in the sun. And I got a new spoiler. I tried to tint my taillights, but I did tint them, but I left them outside and it rained on them, so now they're all fucked up. I ordered a different style. They should be here this week. So yeah, and I also got a new exhaust. I got the quad tips. For you guys that want to know how to do it, you get a Shelby bumper that has the diffuser and all that, and then you just cut it out right here until about like 1 inch from the first fin, and then you just let your exhaust shop align it, and you tell them how far out you want them and stuff. So yeah, they look pretty sick. And I also got a cat delete, and I got some mufflers on it. I don't want it to be too loud since it's gonna be my daily. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm still waiting for my wheels to get done, and the lip and the little lights, the turn signal and all that, they're still on the way. But yeah, this car looks sick in the sun. In the shade it looks alright, but once that metallic hits it, it almost looks gold in some angles. And I also got a wicker bill, or a gurney flap, whatever you want to call it. It goes behind the spoiler right here. That gets here this week too. We got a lot of parts coming, trying to finish this car up. I still haven't decided on a hood. I kind of like the hoodless look. It looks pretty sick, but we gotta get one eventually. But yeah, it's a little update for now till the rest of the parts come, and then we'll install them. I'm gonna go wash the car real quick. It's kind of dirty, and then we'll see what we do from there. Got the tail lights on. They came in yesterday, so I put them on. They look pretty sick. They're the S550 style. So yeah, now we're just waiting for the wicker bill, and obviously the front end stuff is still on the way. But the rear is pretty much complete now, other than the little wicker bill, and that's all I'm gonna do to it. Looks pretty sick. I'm still waiting for my wheels to get powder coated, and obviously I need to get tires for those wheels. I was thinking of painting these just for now, for temporary, just so they're the same color. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a little update. Yeah, I'll just update you guys when more stuff comes in. So I got it mocked up just with some tape. These edges, obviously we gotta push them down, but they're all even. I got it centered on the brake light. and then got this edge flush with the spoiler, because there's another piece. This one goes right here. It goes like this, so that center piece could be flush like that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is drill my edges. Boom, right there, and one over here. And then I'm gonna go from those two down to the middle and do all the holes. So yeah, let me get that done. Alright, so I went ahead and drilled all the holes. These ones do get a little tight. It's like right on the corner. But they do fit. So if you want to run this Wicker bill in your... This is the MMD from American Muscle. It's not the GT500 one, it's a MMD. That's the brand. So if you want to do... You're going to have to buy a special tool. It's called a Riv Nut tool. They sell it on the website too, or you could just buy this one at Harbor Freight. It's like 30 bucks or something. So you put the little nuts in here. Into this thing, you put this. That, and then you put it in your hole, and you just squeeze, and it just gives you some threads in here, so you could thread it on. And these things are not, I mean, you're not ever gonna get them out, so yeah. And after that, you're pretty much done. Just take the protective plastic off and put it on. So that's what I'm about to do. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. It's a pretty short one, but we got a lot of work done on the car. We got the wheels, the tail lights, the exhaust, and the spoiler. It's pretty much the rear end is finished. So yeah, this is pretty much the rear end is how it's gonna stay, unless I change my mind, but I kind of like it. We got the spoiler, the Wicker bill, tail lights, the bumper, the exhaust. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. We're still waiting on all the front end stuff. I gotta save a little money to buy the hood because it's like 900 bucks or some shit. So yeah, I'm gonna get a different grill, the bullet grill. It's just a plain one, it doesn't have fog light holes or anything. And we're still waiting on the wheels, hopefully this week. They're kind of taking a while, but it's alright. They always give me a good price, so I don't really mind. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the back. It's pretty much complete, like I said. Looks looks pretty sick. Also I'm gonna order some coilovers for the new wheels, just because it's gonna look too high, because they're actually street wheels, not like drag wheels. So yeah, see you guys later.